So it's Thursday night around 10:30 or so. It's the last night for the MSP Community Minds Conference, and it's time for my wrap-up video because tomorrow's really a work day during the day, and then I'll be traveling home. My flight leaves from Nashville to Cleveland around 7:30 at night. So this is a different conference than most of the ones that I've gone to. And quite honestly, I've really cut back on my traveling conferences, but I do a lot more local Northeast Ohio type of events. But this one was good, and it was interesting for kind of unique reasons. First of all, there was about 5 vendor partners or sponsors for this event, but there were no vendor pitches. In other words, no advertising, no buy our stuff, and here's why, so on and so forth. It was much more of workshops and panel discussions on particular topics. And of course, security played well, but also a lot of topics about messaging, about some of the videos, social media, and all that kind of fun stuff that is used to communicate. And I will say with some amount of pride that Simplex IT was actually mentioned at during several talks, including ones that I wasn't in the room for, and in a good way. So kudos to Cassie, Haley, and everybody, because there's a lot of people who are doing a lot of the videos and social media here at Simplex IT now. But there's also had some great conversations with folks about CIS framework versus CMMC framework versus the CompTIA Trustmark, all of that kind of good stuff. It really those kind of conversations really helped me in my journey towards moving Simplex IT towards a more CIS formatted security stance. Hesitate to just say framework or the like, and really get procedures and processes better defined. There was also some good conversations as far as messaging, as far as real client engagement questions and the like. Shared some ideas with a couple of MSPs, and I autographed more books of mine, strangely enough, than I ever have, which was kind of funny. But all told, it was just a great deal of very mature sharing of ideas and concepts, and I think they're looking to repeat the same show or conference in August or September of this year, and I would strongly recommend to MSPs, especially MSPs who are looking to take that evolutionary next step, wherever you are in this path, to check out the conference. And it has been worthwhile, and see where that goes. Kind of interested. A lot of the MSP conferences talk about education, but there's a lot of lip service given to that, or the education is based on why you should buy this product or that product, or a keynote that's 80,000 foot view, but it's hard to put that into an operational words for a much smaller MSP. This conference is a little bit different. So hope you check it out, and let me know your comments, thoughts, questions on this sort of thing. And what kind of conferences do you go to? And I especially am interested in hearing from folks who are not necessarily managed service providers or even in the IT field. I'd love to hear about some other conferences and how they handle education and training and learning. All right? Anywho, I'm done. Finish this up, head up to my room, and get some sleep. Bye.